What I observed in traditional project management is that typically there are only representatives that are talking to the customers. A project manager, customer success expert. So this communication is happening in a smaller group, and somehow there is this person in between the team and users, customer, sponsor of the project that funnels everything, and sometimes they are helping to translate the message. They are sharing what they understood from this conversation with the customers. This can lead this can lead to some delays, and of course, maybe there is some misunderstanding. The team is asking again those questions towards project managers, customer success expert, and they say, I have to go back to the customer. So this may remind a game where someone is in between passing the ball. Does it mean that we don't need people who can collaborate effectively with the users, customers? Well, we do. However, there is another way how we can improve that, and Scrum brings this idea to the table. So one of the Scrum events is called Sprint Review. And this is the formal opportunity where there are more people talking about the product, about what we already know, what is visible, so our current product increment. They talk about what has changed recently. They talk about any information about market trends, about competitors, and they try to discuss together what might be the potential future for the product, how product backlog may be updated. And what is also important, Sprint Review is the event where the whole Scrum team participates, which means that we appreciate skill set, traits of our people playing similar accountability as project manager or customer success expert, but the team is also involved. They can observe, they can ask questions, and they can come up with ideas during sprint review. So in professional Scrum, sprint review may completely change the collaboration with stakeholders, because we maximize the value of all those collaborations. We avoid delays that may happen if there are some people between us. And also developers can actively propose something, ask those right questions during sprint review to make the next sprint better, to use this talent that they have, because they are the people who are going to translate customers' problems into solutions, making a product increment. Based on my experience, I can also say that this might be an important step when it comes to building trust. We say a lot that trust, Scrum values, Scrum pillars, they form our Scrum soul, and this is something that can affect everything, especially this collaboration, because committed team asking questions, being interested in what is happening, why something is important for the customer, listening directly to what they say, can build their commitment, their motivation. It may boost this in our team, and at the same time, the customer, the users, stakeholders see, hey, we all care. We want to listen to your feedback. We want to do great things together. We want to maximize the value of you coming to our event and investing your time in this collaborative session. So long term, your customers may realize that with this committed team being together with them, this is something that makes their product better and better, and they may want to have exactly professional Scrum in place because it brings value for them.